beautiful souls. I'm glad that I got this opportunity to talk with you. I firmly believe that ability is nothing without an opportunity. Have you ever thought of opportunities? What does it mean? Opportunities will not often knock your door. You should head towards and push the door of splendid opportunities. If you're well determined, the whole universe will help you to pursue your goal. Life is indeed an amalgamation of sorrows, failures, and success. Sometimes we fail to identify our capabilities. God has blessed us with one or the other talents. Our job is pretty easier than the Almighty. Just find out and foster it for your betterment. Perhaps you may not get a second chance to exhibit your ability. William Shakespeare said, "All the world is a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and entrances. So my dear friends, we are just actors on this stage. We will leave the stage after our role. Do not create a situation where you feel regret for ignoring your opportunities. Today's mistakes are tomorrow's new lessons."